Welcome everyone in the lecture 5 of unit 4, and we are studying pumping lemma for context free languages. As we saw in last lecture, if L is a context free language, then there is an integer n, and it is also known as pumping number. Pumping number means for a string of greater than this number, it is ensuring that we are going through some repetition means pumping, we are repeating again and again for a string greater than equal to this number. Then for any z belong to L with length of z greater than equal to that number, then z can be written as z is equal to uv wxy, and here we are matching v and x. This is optional part before matching, this is optional part after matching, and this is center part. We put something at the center after matching, and that something can be epsilon, as in ASB slash, as in S tends to ASB slash epsilon. In this language, what you put at the center, you put epsilon here. After matching, you put epsilon here. So w can be epsilon, u can be also epsilon, z can be also epsilon, but there must be at least v or x. Why it is? Because we are writing production that is repeating something, then there must be something left, or there must be something in right, or there can be at both side. It is a production like this is useless production, it is not doing anything. So there must be something either in left or right or at both side. Then first condition is that length of vx should be greater than 0. It means that either v should be there or x should be there, both cannot be epsilon. Second condition is that length of vwx should be less than equal to n. This is the pumping number, and we are concentrating on this part. This is the matching part, and it ensures that we are going through this part to repeat something while deriving a string. And third is that if there is some matching, then it can be repeat any number of times. By using ASB, you can make A and B one time, double A, S, double B, triple A, triple B, four time A, four time B. So this can be repeat any number of time. Then for every I greater than equal to 0, UVI wx की power I y should belong to L, or it belong to L if L is context free language. Let us take some example. It is L is equal to a raised to power n, b raised to power n, c raised to power n greater than equal to 0. And the question is that so that is non-context free, is not context free, and we already know it is not context free because we cannot match three things at one time. So let n is pumping number or n is an integer on which we are applying pumping lemma. Z is the input string is an, bn, cn, and length of z is equal to 3n, that is greater than equal to n. Now you have to check that, you have to make sure, first look at the second condition, vwx, that is the matching part, vwx. The length of vwx should be less than equal to n. It means that the matching part can be in A, can be in some A and some B. Suppose we have, say, n is equal to 4. We have input z is equal to 4a, 4b and 4c. Then vwx can be either made of age only, or can be of some age and b's. Suppose we have 2a or 2b, because length of vwx should be less than equal to 4 here. So it can be some A or some B, or it can be made of B's only, it can be made of some B and C's only, or some B's or C's, suppose 2B, 2C, or it is can be made of C's only, say 4C. But one thing is sure, if length of vxy is less than equal to n, then vxy cannot be formed by all three together. All three together mean A's, B's and C's. It cannot be made of all three. Suppose it is made of, let vwx is made of A's and B's only. Why it cannot be made of all three? Because if you look carefully, the last A and the first C, here you can note last A and first C is n plus 1 distance is apart. They are n plus 1, there is a distance of n plus 1 between last A and first C. So it cannot be made of all three, and we are taking, suppose it is made of A's and B's only, not C's. So for I is equal to 0, so Vx contain A's and B's only. It implies that Bx, either V or X or both loops both matching are in A and Bn only. You can take B and Cn also, but it cannot be in all three. it is made of A's and B's only. Then for I is equal to 0, for I is equal to 0, this should be in language v u v power 0 w x की power 0 and y having less A's and B's than n, because if we put the power 0, then A and B are made of A, V and X are made of A and B only, and if we put the power 0 here, then the count of A or A and B are less than n, while C's are n only. So count of A and B got reduced and count of C's are n only. So this string, so at I is equal to 0, so at I is equal to 0, we get u x u w y does not belong to L, and it is contradiction. It is contradiction. So L is non-contest free. You can write it in proper way. Now you can take the example of AN, BN, CN, DN also. So loop will be either in A's or B's or C's or D's, or made of A and B, made of B and C, or C and D. So it can be made of only two things, not all. So the count will be A's and B's will be reduced, and count of C and D will be remains n only. Similarly, you can take L is equal to WW, where W belongs to A comma B closure. It is differ from palindrome. Palindrome is WWR. It is WW, and it is also not contest free. It is not contest free. Here you can take Z as AN, BN, AN, BN. It is W, it is WW. So the count of these A's and B's will be reduced, and these will remain n. So the input will do not belong to language. And you can put I is equal to 2 also. You can put I is equal to 2 also. Then the count of A's and B's will increase, and count of C will remain n, and count of A and B will increase. So it do not belong to the particular language. So you need to take this example as important, or you can prove taking n is equal to 4 also. You can take this string AA double B as V, it is V, double B as X, W as epsilon, this double A as U, and this last B C as Y. So this is all about pumping lemma. Thanks for attending the lecture.